ठीक है, पंछी वाले लोग नाराज हो गए साफ किया हो गया। मैम इधर आ जाओ।
ओके, अभी रेडी? बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Nanotechnology is going to be the next revolution, and I am certain about it, and that's why I am giving so much importance. Now it's up to you. I saw the article in the paper कि समुद्र के पानी को मीठा बनाएंगे. So this is something which I've been talking to everybody, and let's see it fructify. Congratulations.
Thank
अरे फोटो खींच लेना।
Mohtaram Lieutenant General Zamiruddin Shah, Vice Chancellor for last 5 years, successful Vice Chancellor, most successful Vice Chancellor, excellent work is before us. He has been very kind to give us this place for nanotechnology, and he has given so much importance to nanotechnology that today we are seeing this center in physical existence. Professor Afsar Ahmed, the director of the center, is because of only Vice Chancellor that he accepted this offer and left the 23 years of service in NCL Pune. Brigadier Ahmed Ali, our Pro Vice Chancellor, dearest Pro Vice Chancellor, he has been very kind to nanotechnology, and he has in fact given very good lectures on nanotechnology in the last international conference also. He is with us. We thank all the administration and all the colleagues and all the dignitaries here, the Dean Faculty of Engineering, the former Dean Faculty of Engineering, the former colleagues and dear friends. There are no words to say that the dreams do come true, and this is also a dream which has come true. I now request Professor Afsar Ahmed to say a few words very briefly about this program.
Assalamu alaikum. A very hearty welcome to all of you. I would like to thank the Honorable Vice Chancellor Sahab, Pro Vice Chancellor Sahab, Member of the Executive Council, Professor Ali Naqvi Sahab, and other senior colleagues and friends for being here with us for this very special occasion. I would like to thank again our VC Sahab, Pro VC Sahab and Executive Council members for believing in me and appointing me as the director of this prestigious institution. It is mainly because due to the sincere support, encouragement, cooperation and vision of our Vice Chancellor Sahab that this all has been possible. It gives me great joy today to see the foundation stone being laid out. It marks the beginning of an altogether new journey for all of us. Our research in the past was focused on the biological synthesis and green synthesis of inorganic nanomaterials of different chemical compositions, sizes and shapes. These nanoparticles possesses unique properties, being water dispersible, non-toxic, highly stable. The next step in this field will be dedicated toward the application of these nanomaterials to be used in agriculture, healthcare, environment, energy, water purification and desalination of the water. This part of the research will be conducted at our center right here at AMU. We will bring together under one umbrella the diverse activities of several research groups and collectively our work toward the translation of our basic science into marketable product, process and technologies. Motivating the young minds, seeking collaboration and ultimately translation of our research from concept to reality will be our prime focus from day one. Once again, I thank you all for your patience and faith in us, and we will strive our best to keep the flag of AMU very high in the firmament of nanotechnology and in the firmament of science. You know, we have made a range of inorganic nanomaterial. People are making, if you are going to work on nanoscience and nanotechnology, you have to make nanomaterials. Nanomaterials can be obtained by physical and chemical methods at very high temperature like 1000 degrees centigrade, high pH and high pressure, but our group had made a range of nanomaterial like metal, sulfide, quantum dots, carbon at room temperature, less pH and less pressure. We have screened our nanoparticle for healthcare like HIV, cancer, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, Parkinson and water desalination and other activities. So now we have all the positive leads, and very soon inshallah we are going to verify the salt water into potable water. Finally, I would like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sahab, Lieutenant General Shah Sahab, to say a few words for center and vision of NIC. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. I would request. I would like to request our Pro VC Sahab to say a few words about our nanotechnology center.
Assalamu alaikum. The Vice Chancellor General Zamiruddin Shah, Professor Absar, Professor Alim Naqvi, members of the faculty, my dear students. This is yet another dream come true. Today heralds the dawn of a new era of research in Aligarh Muslim University. We are on the threshold of starting what may turn out to be indeed a revolutionary step. It appears to be a very small, fragile building in front of your eyes. But I know a year down the lane, you will scarcely believe your eyes that what you saw and what it has been transformed in. All those of you who heard me speaking in the nanotechnology seminar would recall what immense potential nanotechnology has got. And that is the reason why we gave Philip to this mission. And that is the reason why we decided to divorce nanotechnology from the existing department and bring it here. The director was very keen to stay on in that makeshift building. So was Professor Alim Naqvi. I realized that unless there is a divorce and unless there is an independent center for nanotechnology, it will not grow. Just as बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे घास नहीं उगती है, उसी तरह एक बड़े डिपार्टमेंट के नीचे नई चीज़ की इब्तिदा नहीं हो सकती। और मुझे इस बात पे यकीन है कि कल जब ये बनेगा ये डिपार्टमेंट, तो it will rise like a phoenix, towering phoenix, which will be the best department perhaps in the university in times to come. It will promote ideas and generate thoughts which have been hitherto unknown to mankind, something which was unimaginable. In a lighter vein, I often refer to nanotechnology as nanotechnology because I come from a village, so I translate this nano into nanho. So it is this nanotechnology will showcase to you what the world is all waiting for. We live in an era of miniaturization. Everything is being reduced into smaller packages. I am looking for the day when you will have a small chip in your brain, and when a question is asked to you, you will simply put your brain finger here and you will start getting the answers. That day is not far. It will come. And it will be coming around through nanotechnology. All of you who have seen a science fiction, a Hollywood production on nanotechnology may recall that two doctors are inserted into the body by miniaturization and they perform the heart surgery of a patient inside the heart itself. Such utopian dreams are definitely going to come about, just as all of you who have read Jules Verne's book Around the World in 80 Days may recall that Jules Verne in 1869 predicted that man will go out deep into space. He will go from the land but will not be able to land back on the land, and he will land on the water. And in 1969, when Neil Armstrong actually did it, he did it the same way. From Cape Kennedy, he took off and he actually landed in the sea. Today, whatever is being spoken of may seem very idealistic and too utopian to believe it. But be rest assured, ladies and gentlemen, unless you get a dream, unless you get a thought, it never fructifies. This is a dream waiting for fructification. And inshallah, with the team led by Absar Sahab, one day it will fructify and fulfill all your wishes, all your ideas that you cherish now. I wish the team all the very best. May the center grow from strength to strength, and may it really prove the trust that we have reposed in us. Thank you very much, and God bless you and Godspeed in your ventures. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, sir, for nice words. And inshallah, we will keep the flag of AMU very high in the firmament of Science World Day. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, please come and say a few words about nanotechnology center.
Assalamu alaikum. Jai Hind. Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Naqvi, Professor Absar, senior members of the faculty, my dear students. The next revolution is going to be the nano revolution. I am quite certain about it. The IT revolution has plateaued. There will be improvements, but it's plateaued. We've got to find ways and means and livelihood for the growing population of the earth. And with the use of limited resources. When I came to the university, I got introduced to Professor Naqvi, and I was very, very impressed by the research which the nanotechnology was doing, and I constantly talked about it. Then I met Professor Absar, and I was highly impressed by his capabilities, and I am very, very certain that a few things which he's got on the anvil are going to be revolutionary. I did apprise the Prime Minister and I did apprise the Crown Prince of UAE about desalination of seawater, and both were highly impressed, and this is going to resolve the problem of sweet water for our coastal cities. It is going to resolve the problems of West Asia, which is spending a small fortune on energy costs trying to desalinate water and use it. I mean, all over Saudi, it's all desalinated water. In the Emirates, it's desalinated water. So these are revolutionary techniques, and we do hope that this research which Professor Absar is doing fructifies very soon. We wanted, how long do we give you? 6 months? 6 months? 6 months. Let's see the pilot project. We are certain that you will get the necessary funds from whatever agencies are giving, because I have seen your capabilities. Let me tell you that Professor Absar left a very, very well paid and established job in Pune. I had to use my diplomatic skills to tempt him to come, and he did. He decided that he needed to do his work in Aligarh Muslim University, and that is something which is to his credit. He really wants to give credit to the university. We want good path-breaking research, and I am certain this center will do it for us. It will be the harbinger not only of sweet water from the sea, but the second green revolution of the country. First is already over with the wheat, the dwarf variety of wheat, but the next revolution is going to be wheat which probably even smaller than the dwarf variety, but has ears of corn larger than probably the plant itself. And of course, with the use of nano fertilizers, non-polluting, this is going to be path-breaking. So I congratulate all of you for having established the center. Where is the university engineer? Feroz, this must be given top priority. Please start. When are you starting work? Okay. So as soon as but I want it on red hot priority. Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, research must yield in something tangible. I must see it to believe, yes, that the research is proving useful. Research resulting in mountains of paper, all right. Pure research is all right. But what we want to see in Aligarh Muslim University is patents. We want to see new inventions. We want to see it on the ground. That's something which I like to see. Not, I wouldn't like to peruse files. That is for the academicians to do. Pure research. So we are very, very confident. I just given the instructions. Now it's up to you how you handle Feroz. Okay, he's a difficult customer, but if you handle him properly, he does it in record time. I've seen him doing it. So good luck to you, and may nanotechnology flourish. May you give prominence to Aligarh Muslim University in terms of research. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
वाइस चांसलर साहब के हमारे ऊपर बहुत एहसानात हैं, हम तहे दिल से उनका शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। और वाइस चांसलर साहब गले गले हमारी मुसीबतों में साथ रहे, हम उनका भी शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। वाइस चांसलर साहब अफसार साहब को यहाँ लेके आए, इसका शुक्रिया अदा नहीं किया जा सकता, लेकिन ये इतना बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है AMU के लिए। अकेले अफसार साहब का साइटेशन 15,600 है, H इंडेक्स 43 है, और ज़्यादातर पेपर्स का साइटेशन 500 and thousands में क्रॉस कर चुका है। काम की वक़्त है। टाटा इनोवेशन अवार्ड, वासविक अवार्ड मोदी जी से लिया और 1 दर्जन से ज़्यादा और अवार्ड्स लिए। हम ख्वाहिश करते हैं कि वो अगले कई अवार्ड्स और समय बड़ा अवार्ड भी AMU को दिलाएं। इस उम्मीद के साथ ये सेंटर कायम हो रहा है, वो उम्मीद बहुत दूर तक जाती है, वो सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग के लिए नहीं है। जैसा कि PVC साहब ने कहा कि कुछ दिन बाद आप ये पहचान नहीं पाएंगे कि ये क्या जगह थी, और कुछ दिन बाद ये इतना ऊंचा होगा कि AMU की हर चीज़ पे नैनो की कैप होगी, हर डिपार्टमेंट नैनो से लिंक्ड होगा। नैनो केमिस्ट्री, नैनो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, नैनो फिज़िक्स, नैनो लाइफ साइंसेज, आप कुछ कह लीजिए, मेडिसिन, नैनो मेडिसिन। वी हैव ऑलरेडी एन ऑफर, प्रोफेसर अफसार हैज़ गॉट दैट future medicine should be developed in AMU, and there is a big company who is negotiating with us. So future drugs will be manufactured with the help of nanomaterials, and you can dream what results may come out. इस वक्त की तंगी में, इतनी मुश्किलों में, जहाँ वाइस चांसलर साहब इस वक्त जाने के और आने के बीच में हैं लोगों के, तो हमें उन्होंने वक्त दिया। इतनी गर्मी में यहाँ आप लोग तशरीफ़ लाए, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, और हम आपसे दुआएं एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि इस सेंटर के लिए आप लोग दुआएं करें। हमारा मिशन दोस्ती का है, हम सब से मिल के चलेंगे, सब लोग हमारे सेंटर का यूज़ करेंगे। अभी भी एग्जिस्टिंग जो हमारी फैसिलिटीज़ थी वो कई 100 लोगों ने हर महीने यूज़ की हैं, और इंशाल्लाह इससे ज़्यादा लोग और यूज़ करेंगे AMU के और AMU के बाहर के भी। हमारी कोई चीज़, कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट बंद नहीं होगा, हमारा इंस्ट्रूमेंट चलते रहेंगे और सबके फ़ायदे के लिए होंगे, सबकी रिसर्च को प्रमोट करेंगे। तो हम चाहेंगे कि सब लोग हमें नेक ख्वाहिशात से देखें, और ये ना सोचें कि ये सेंटर कोई नया चीज़ उभर के आ गया जो अपने लिए कोई प्रमोट करने के लिए है। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, बल्कि ये यूनिवर्सिटी के उस ख्वाब की ताबीर है जो कि सर सैयद ने देखा था कि हर नई चीज़ यहाँ हो। अल्लामल इंसान मालम यालम, नहीं जानते वो जान जाए। तो वही चीज़ सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि AMU में अल्लामल इंसान मालम यालम की तफसीर हो और लोग इसका फ़ायदा उठाएँ। मैं सभी लोगों का बेहद शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ जो इस गर्मी में यहाँ तशरीफ़ लाए, और आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि एक कप कॉफ़ी हमारे साथ पिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
मेरे 2 पुराने शेर हैं। मैं वाइस चांसलर साहब की जानिब से आप लोगों के लिए, हमारे लिए 2 शेर, क्योंकि हम उनको अलविदा भी कह रहे हैं, खैर बात कह रहे हैं। वो खुश रहें जहाँ रहें और ज़्यादा तरक्की करें, यहाँ से भी नए फैदर्स उनकी कैप में लगे। सर वाइस चांसलर साहब की तरफ से 2 शेर और शायद पीवी सर की तरफ से आपसे भी सर 2 शेर हम सब के लिए। अर्ज़ किया है कि बनावट भी नहीं कोई दिखावा है, बनावट भी नहीं कोई दिखावा है, मैं बरसों याद आऊँगा मेरा इतना तो दावा है। बनावट भी नहीं कोई दिखावा है, मैं बरसों याद आऊँगा मेरा इतना तो दावा है। और बतौर ख़ास ये शेर कि मेरी सादा मिजाजी को कभी हल्के में मत लेना, मेरी सादा मिजाजी को कभी हल्के में मत लेना, मेरी आँखों में शोले हैं, मेरे लहजे में लावा है।
भैया आप, हाँ यस रेडी। हाँ जल्दी से करा लो, हो गया। सब आ रहे हैं, सब खराब हो जाएगा, ग्रुप खराब हो जाएगा, मैम ग्रुप खराब। बस हो गए।